Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is a closed circular wire hung on a nail in a wall undergoes small oscillations of amplitude of 2 degree and the time period of 2 seconds. Find the first part the radius of the circular wire, the second part the speed of the particle farthest away from the point of the suspension as it goes through its mean position. In the C part the acceleration of the particle as it goes through its mean position, and in the D part the acceleration of the particle when it is at the extreme position. We have to take g is equals to pi square. So in this given question हमें यहाँ पे दिया है basically, अगर हम यहाँ पे सबसे पहले given part को लिखें, so we can say that we have given that the time period of oscillation. So time period we have given that for oscillation, and that is equals to 2 seconds. And also we have given that the acceleration due to gravity. तो acceleration due to gravity भी हमको यहाँ पे दिया है, and that is nothing, it is equals to g, which is equals to pi square meter per second square. और यहाँ पे now let assume that I be the moment of inertia of the circular wire having the mass of m and radius r. So we can draw the structure, that means for the diagram. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक रिंग है, let's say this is our that circular closed wire. Okay, now we can assume that कि अगर यहाँ पे से like this is hung from this position, let's say x, this is b, and the distance from this line, this is basically let's say r. तो यहाँ पे we can say that basically सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे टाइम पीरियड निकाल सकते हैं, तो हम यहाँ पे एज्यूम करते हैं I be the moment of inertia and r be the radius, और स्मॉल m को हम यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं इसका मास. तो बेसिकली इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट सबसे पहले we need to find the time period of compound pendulum. So basically we can find the time period of compound pendulum. Let's say this time period is equals to t. So we can say that this t is nothing, this is given by 2 times of under root moment, that is I, divided by mgl, which is nothing, it is equals to 2 multiplied by moment of inertia I divided by mgr, because as we know that यहाँ पे since L is nothing, it is equals to the R. Let's say this is the equation number 1. Now we can also find the moment of inertia about the point of the suspension. So therefore we can find the moment of inertia about point of suspension, and that is nothing, it is simply is equals to, basically हम यहाँ पे parallel axis theorem लगाएंगे, तो we can say that I is nothing, that is mr square for the this wire plus mr square, which is nothing, it is equals to 2 times of mr square. Now we can just substitute the value of moment of inertia in the equation 1. So therefore substituting I value in equation 1, तो इक्वेशन 1 में I की वैल्यू को हम यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस इंप्लाइज दैट वी हैव t which is equals to 2 pi under root 2 mr square divided by mgr, and on solving it is nothing, it is equals to 2 pi under root of 2r divided by g. तो यहां से दिस इंप्लाइज दैट वी कैन से दैट कि यहां से 2 अपॉन 2 पाई इज नथिंग, इट इज इक्वल्स टू अंडर रूट टाइम्स ऑफ 2r डिवाइडेड बाय g, एंड दिस इंप्लाइज दैट 2 अपॉन बेसिकली 2r अपॉन g इज नथिंग, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन पाई स्क्वायर. तो यहां से r की वैल्यू में निकल के आ जाएगी, एंड r की वैल्यू इज नथिंग, इट इज इक्वल टू g डिवाइडेड बाय 2 पाई स्क्वायर. पाई और g की वैल्यू पाई स्क्वायर है, सो देयरफॉर r कितना आ गया सर 0.5 मीटर, which is nothing, it is equals to 50 सेंटीमीटर. So this we have found from the first part, that is the radius that we need to find, and this is the answer for the first part. Now coming to the second part, let's see what we have asked. So in the second part we need to answer the speed of the particle farthest away from the point of suspension, that is goes from the mean position. So we need to find the speed. So in the second part, from the energy equation we can write, from energy equation we can write, हमारे पास जो टोटल काइनेटिक इज इक्वल टू टोटल पोटेंशियल होगी. सो टोटल काइनेटिक इज इक्वल टू हाफ आई ओमेगा स्क्वायर, इनिशियली इट वाज एट रेस्ट, सो इट विल बी 0, इज इक्वल्स टू एम जी आर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा, दैट इज द potential energy gain, and this is nothing, it is equals to half I omega square, which is equals to mgr 1 minus cos 2 degree, because we have given that 2 degree का यहाँ पे deflection हमारे पास आ रखा है, and this implies that we can say that half of 2 mr square dot omega square is equals to mgr 1 minus cos 2 degree. हमने क्या करा यहाँ पे, हमने बेसिकली i को यहाँ पे रिप्लेस कर दिया, सिंस i is equals to 2mr square which we have found from the parallel axis. So therefore we can find the value of omega square from here, and omega square is nothing, this is divided by this is equal to g divided by r, which is minus 1 minus cos 2 degree. And on substituting the value of g and r, so therefore on putting G and R, but we can say that यहाँ से हमारे पास ओमेगा की वैल्यू कितनी आ जा रही है, ओमेगा की वैल्यू यहाँ से आ रही है 0.11 रेडियन पर सेकेंड. सो देयरफॉर यहाँ से अब हम स्पीड निकाल सकते हैं. स्पीड इज नथिंग, इट इज इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा इंटू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ R, that is equals to 11 centimeter per second. So the answer for the second part is equals to 11 centimeter per second. Now coming to the C part, in the C part what we have asked about the acceleration of the particle as it goes through the mean position. तो जब वो mean position से move करेगा, let's find the acceleration. तो in the C part we can say that the acceleration found to be basically centripetal at the extreme position. So we can say the acceleration will be centripetal at extreme position, and this centripetal acceleration we can say, let's say an, which is nothing, it is given by basically omega square multiplied by 2 times of r, and we can put the values that omega square is 0.11 multiplied by 2 times of r is nothing, it is equals to 100. So we can say that जो हमारे पास से an की वैल्यू आ रही है, that is equals to 12 centimeter per second square. So this is the answer for the third part, and this direction of the an is towards the point of suspension. So we can say that it will be toward the point of suspension. Now we can go for the last part of this question, that is D part, which is asking us about the acceleration of the particle when it is at an extreme position. तो we can say that कि हमारे पास जब पार्टिकल हमारा एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन पे होगा, सो बेसिकली इट विल बी हैविंग 0 सेंटीमीटर एक्सेलरेशन. सो वी कैन से दैट फॉर एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन we can say it will be having 0 centripetal acceleration, but the particle will have still some acceleration due to the SHM, but will have some acceleration due to SHM, that is a simple harmonic motion, और उसको हम निकाल सकते हैं. So therefore we can find the angular frequency. So therefore we can find the angular frequency, and that angular frequency is nothing, it is given by omega, एंड ओमेगा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई बाय टी, तो यहाँ पे अगर हम वैल्यू रखें t की तो वी कैन से दैट इट इज इक्वल्स टू 2 पाई डिवाइडेड बाय 2 विच इज पाई। तो पाई क्या होता है 3.14। so we have found the angular acceleration, basically angular frequency, so we can also find the angular acceleration now. So angular acceleration we can also find, and angular acceleration, let's say a, at the extreme point we can find is it equal to alpha which is equals to omega square theta, theta is the angle, so basically alpha will be is equals to omega square हो जाएगा हमारे पास यहाँ पे। basically we can write this equation as omega square multiplied by 2 degree is the angle, and we can now convert the omega square, so it will be pi square multiplied by 2 pi divided by 180. now we can solve this, and this is alpha will be is equals to 2 pi cube divided by 180। सिंस ये हमने कैसे लिखा, बिकॉज हमको पता है 1 डिग्री जो होता है वो हमारा रेडियन में कितना होता है 1 पाई अपॉन 180 रेडियन, तो 2 डिग्री के लिए हमारे पास 2 पाई अपॉन 180 हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ से अल्फा इतना आ गया, सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट द टेंजेंशियल एक्सेलरेशन वी नीड टू फाइंड, एंड we can say that the tangential acceleration which is equals to, that is nothing, it is equal to alpha multiplied by 2 times of r। तो अल्फा की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं, that is equals to 2 pi cube divided by 180 multiplied by 2r, that is equals to 100, and यहाँ पे जो फाइनली आंसर हमारे पास आ रहा है that is equals to 34 centimeter per second square। So the answer for the last part of this question is 34 centimeter per second square. So these are the answers for this question. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.